This week, let's demo the Airstream. So you always find something, and I'm not quite sure how this helped the converter charger to actually charge, but somebody hid some books under it. I don't know what the purpose was of that was for. There's some books, some Stephen King, Dark Tower. On the bar, on the floor, in the bathroom. Alright, so now what I'm doing, I still got some things here and there that need to be taken out, but I'm just starting with the walls. So obviously I have the ceiling up, taken down. So what you need is 1/8 inch drill bits, lots of them, and you're just going to go to every single hole and drill all the rivets out. So it's very time consuming, very monotonous. So what I advise you to do is put on some fun tunes that you enjoy, a podcast, and just go to town. So usually you'll start from the top and work your way down, but for here I noticed that this middle piece is overlapping this, which isn't a big deal. I just have to get it down first before I can get all of this upper. So I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna come to the upper. And that's why you get lots of drill bits. That one broke. That one lasted all of 1, 2 sheets. Here's the concept of. And I pulled up the lot. Check your head. It's going down. Ask me how I know. Designated view. She never.
crashes or it just doesn't work. I've done it. It was a really simple one. But honestly, I'd say I was suing to get into properties out of state to do here. So yeah, we've been doing the. It's time to scale up, dude. First, Texas, and then we'll know your name, company that's just going to handle all the filings, all the corporate. substantial duties, and your primary role in the DO 365, you're in good standing. So it won't be much. And while you're doing a scene, you want to make sure you're. It's not easy to raise money on a blind project. And he puts it side by side. This might.
You know, if you remember, we found all those books in here. I guess maybe acting as an installation for the converter. And then, like, look at all of these just unused, just buckers just chilling in there. Dang, it's cold. Ooh, yikes. That's not looking good.